Hi dear friends, again I came with another video. Today I having one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Daewoo brand. This machine is dynamic inverter motor. It is 12-year warranty given by the company. If any problem with the DD motor, inverter motor, they are giving only 12 years. But this machine it look like new machine. Customer as per the customer telling this one used only the 1 year. After that it's already completed 1 year. Because of that, by the company not giving warranty guarantee for the any other issue. The problem machine, while from the beginning it's working okay, but after 1 year customer telling it make abnormal noise, but he don't have any idea. Because of that he continuously used. Now machine got stopped and drum not rotating. We went to the customer house, we found the problem. Actually it is should be the bearing, otherwise spider sharp broken. Because of that we collected from the customer house. Now we are going to remove the machine. I will show you what is the problem exactly. After that you can understand. After that we will remove the machine and I will show you show all the step by step what I am going to do there. Now I given power already. Machine front panel is very beautiful machine. See, it is very nice, look like very nice machine. Display is on all the LED. And now if I'm selecting any option, machine actually the problem, drum not rotating. Because of that I'm selecting only the spin here. And 12 minutes machine I'm starting now. Door already locked. Drain motor also working continuously. You can hear the noise. Still not running. I select 800 RPM. 12 minutes remaining. Is showing indicator spin cycle processing. You can hear the noise, the drum not rotating. This is the problem. Customer having the same issue. By the hand also very difficult to turn the machine drum. And anyway I will off the machine. And now I will show you by the hand. It's very difficult to turn. It's already tight. It's not rotating smoothly. It's sure it is shaft, otherwise spider. And bearing also chance to get defect, damage. Anyway, this happening like that. Now we already sharp broken. We know the problem, but in case it's sharp damage after the drum, it will come to the front side. Because with the load customer using at that time outer tub, also chance to get damage. Because of that we will remove the top cover, and after that we can find out we have to remove whole machine. And anyway, first steps we will remove the top cover. We already removed the top cover. Now we can check the drum. Actually here also we can check, but anyway better to remove all front panel, front cover. After that we can identify it, very easy to identify what are the tub damage or not. Anyway, we have to take it a whole full set, drum set out. We have to take it the detergent drawer first. After that here front panel, Here all the screws, we have to remove all 3 screws. Now we can take it out. Here one connector, display connector, display power connector we have to release here, and now we can take it out. Now we have to remove the gasket, the rings from the panel, and also door switch screws. And already released the gasket from the panel, front cover, and now we have to remove these screws. And we will lay down a little bit because the downside 3 screws, we have to remove that 3 screws. Now we release already front cover with the door, all the screws and gasket and door switch. Now we can take it out. Now we can take it out. And we will keep. Now we can check the outer drum. Here you can see it is already damaged here. It's already cut. That's when it's too much damage. Here also, downside also. You can find out after removing. It's too much damage actually. Anyway, now we have to remove the drum out, take it out. After that, we will check properly. Also, we have to inform to the customer also. Now we will remove the balance from the tub before taking out. It is very easy for us, otherwise it's very heavy. We have to disconnect these two pipes from the gasket. This one with the Daewoo company having echo bubble system. And now we are going to remove the balance from the tub. After that we can identify, after removing balance, we can identify how it's got damaged, the outer tub also. Because the shaft broken, the drum customer used continuously, drum came out, and while rotating time is touching with the outer tub. That is the reason it's got damaged. Now see, you can see it's all around cut by the inner drum while rotating time. Now we have to remove the back stator and rotor. After that we will remove dampers and drain below and all. Now we are removing back cover. This one bearing no damage actually, because look like here no any indicator water leaking or something. Because of that we can I can tell there no any damage with the bearing. Bearing should be okay. Now we have to release all the harness. This is thermistor and also heater connection. We have to release all the harness from the tub, because we have to take it out the tub. And here connection hall sensor connection, and rotor power connector is lock. This one we will remove later after removing stator and rotor. We already removed the nut. Now we have to take it out. Rotor, slowly we have to take it out. Now we have to take it straight out. All screws we have to remove. This is number 10 bolt. You can see now it is bearing actually no any defect, but shaft 100% it's shaft broken. We are telling shaft or spider. We have to release the harness from the tub. That screws we have to take it out. this type of happening actually because of the customer doesn't know how to use the machine, because this overload should be the overload, because of that getting damaged very quickly shaft, otherwise it's not getting damaged very quickly. Now from the hall sensor we can take very easy to harness. This is the stator, no any damage, nothing, and also bearing area is no any damage. Here one bubble maker, we have to disconnect the power connection only, that's enough. That's what I told, echo bubble system. This is bubble generator. Here you can see downside. Now we have to little bit lay down the machine. Now we are going to remove the dampers screw. Here you can this. We can remove from here also, otherwise from the top also we can remove, but anyway we have to release all 3 dampers, and also here below clamp, and now back side 1 dampers also. Now we already released all 3 dampers from the body. Now very easy to take it out. Drum pulls it. This panel holder we have to remove because it's very easy to take the drum out. Otherwise it's a little bit difficult. Because of that we are going to remove this one. Now we have to release the top spring, and this way we can take it out very easy. Now we will keep. Now we are going to remove all the top nut. After that we can find out clear picture. Now we will remove all the nut from the tub. Here already damaged here. We cannot use anymore. Now we can take it out. Now you can see properly here. This tub already got damaged. We cannot use anymore. We have to replace the outer tub also. And now only we have to remove inner drum. It's already broken here like that. See, it's too much damage. And we have to change the shaft, and be careful, we have to remove the drum shaft from the bearing. And see how, I don't know, this customer used until this much damage. Anyway, now we have to replace 2 parts, tub outer and shaft. Now we will take it out, the drum shaft out. Here no problem with the bearing. This is the problem. We have to discuss with the customer, and I will go for the this is like this video I'm making part 1. You can find out the part 2, how to fixing process with all new parts, with the parts, replaceable parts, and we will go to the part 2. And thanks for watching my channel. I'm requesting, please kindly subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed still. Thanks for watching again.